Prime Minister Modi announced demonetization on November 8th, and this was the move which was aimed at cracking on the shadow economy but has brought India's cash economy to a virtual standstill. The government and the Reserve Bank of India have since taken a slew of measures to ease the pain from its measures. Here's a ground report 1 month on.
It's been exactly 1 month since Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that 500 and 1000 rupee note will no longer be a legal tender, that is demonetization. Since then, the long lines have given way for digital way of payment. People are using their debit cards, their credit cards, e-wallets. This is the new phenomenon. More and more people are moving towards a digital way of life, a digital economy.
ये काबिल तारीफ है क्योंकि जिस तरह की जो काला धन जो बीच में जो मार्केटिंग सर्कुलेट नहीं हो रहा था उसको सर्कुलेट करने का यही एक साधन था।
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा कि भाई कुछ दिन की प्रॉब्लम 50 दिन दीजिए, 50 दिन के बाद सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाएगा। आशा करते हैं कि 50 दिन बाद बेशक नॉर्मल ना हो, पर 50 दिन और उसके बाद अगर नॉर्मल हो जाता तो भी बहुत अच्छी बात है।
So what will be the impact of demonetization? Demonetization has increased liquidity into the banking system and increased the number of deposits. This has led to a cut in deposit rates. Meanwhile, it will increase tax collection and boost growth or GDP in long term. It has also led to surrendering of Maoists. Around 600 Maoists have surrendered since 8th of November. With camera person Sandeep, Siddhant Subbalidi News, New Delhi.